Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Police Rescue Family Living Under a Mother's Constant Rage by Unpopular.
What's going on today, man?
Domestic dispute between me and my other half.
All right, in what way?
She wants me out of the house because my kids were helping me do dishes. I mean, it's just a mess of crap. I mean, my license, it went out of date, and she's mad that I can't get that anymore, and I've offered to pay for her own, you know, and she's mad that I won't do it, and this is what kind of started the whole thing. But anyway, doing dishes, and she left us.
Over some damn dishes? Well, if you felt so strongly about it, why you ain't just do it your damn self?
Morning, kids went and got feed at the feed store. I left the whole morning, and I came back, and she's on bed with her phone, doing whatever. And I had the kids doing dishes while I'm making them grilled cheese sandwiches, and you know, she got mad and yelled and told them to leave. And then I told her I needed the dishes because macaroni and cheese next, so I could feed them later that. And then from there, I get kicked out, and we're having an argument.
Stay over here for me, please. Ma'am, are you the other half of this?
Yes.
All right, if you would stay up there, I don't need y'all around each other right now.
Well, you can off. Here's your clothes. You can get out. You can off.
I'm pretty sure that's not even half of his shit. Not even a third.
I did not call you. You're on my property. I know my rights.
Oh, we got one of those people. Okay, Karen.
I have a child under 3. You will go. You will get charged.
You need to relax.
No.
Man. No, ma'am. Stand over here and talk with me. What is your problem? This is not going to work.
Mental health.
My rights.
So do I, ma'am.
Stay away from me.
I'm out here for a reason.
And I did not call. Stay out of my house.
Put your hands
I'm holding up.
Why would you do that to an officer? That was dumb as hell.
I mean, do you understand? I did not hurt the child.
He's stuck in the door, Chandler.
Give the baby.
Thank you. Get the baby so away from this dumbass.
No!
Yes, ma'am.
No! I'm in my house!
You're getting
Get out! I
right
did not
now.
call
Your house nasty as fuck.
you!
arrest.
No, I'm not!
Yes, you are.
I did not call you! I know my
You don't
rights!
strike me. Do you understand?
You were coming into my house!
I'm here for a
You're
reason.
not allowed in
man.
my house!
Yes,
You not following police you're not following the police's orders, baby. What you thought was gonna happen?
I am.
No, you're not!
Yes,
You
I am.
what?
I don't need to.
Please, can y'all get her off the ground? Whew, yeah, I do not want to see that. I'm finna throw up.
Let go!
Ma'am, you're going to stop right now. You understand?
Oh,
Now quit it.
oh,
Roll over on your stomach now.
he is not fucking around with her.
Now. Put your hands behind your back.
Ew, what the fuck is that? Bed bugs?
Ma'am, I really don't want to hurt you. I'm trying to be as nice as I can.
I did not call you.
It doesn't matter.
I did not invite you into my house. I was in the middle of
You need to invite a bathtub and some bed bug spray.
something.
Something.
You got in the middle of that. You could have waited. And I
ma'am.
would have come back out and talked to you.
ma'am.
I would have had my
This is not your world, baby.
I know my rights. I want a
So do I.
supervisor out here now.
He's on his way right now. It's no
Then
issue.
leave me alone
You're
until
still
he gets
getting
here.
cuffed. Yes, ma'am. You're getting cuffed.
No, I'm fine. You can leave me alone. I will wait for your supervisor.
Roll over.
Dumbass. She gonna keep fighting, huh?
Put your other hand behind your back. Do you understand me? Now.
I'm waiting for your supervisor. Get off of me!
No, ma'am.
Get off of me!
It's not going to work that way. Put your other
At
hand.
all, baby.
You kind of got me on it. I can't.
She funny for that.
Put your hand
There
behind
you
your back.
go.
Stay still.
You're in trouble.
You just harmed my baby coming
did
into
not
my
harm your
house
child.
uninvited. Yes, you did. You shoved her into the door.
I shoved you into the door.
And I was holding my child. You are in huge trouble. I have a almost 50,000 TikTok following. This is going right on there. You tried to come into my house and you harmed my child.
Come on.
I'm going to stand right here for your supervisor. I'm not getting in your vehicle.
She think that she's in charge and she ain't got. I don't be understanding what's wrong with these people that be thinking they in charge with their hands behind their back and handcuffs. That shit will forever make me laugh.
Ouch!
You understand me?
Son of a...
Stop resisting.
No! I'm
Yes.
not resisting. I said I would wait here.
You need to calm down. This is absolutely
This is
insane.
my house. I want a supervisor here now.
That's fine. He's right down the road. Right down the road coming up here.
Ants down here. I'm not staying down here.
You're staying on the ground. I'm not asking. I'm telling.
Ants down
I don't
here.
care.
I don't want to be on the ants.
Get in my car.
I don't want to be on your car. I want to stand on my
Stay
own.
right there.
Go ahead. You get a power trip out of this? Beating up a little
They want
woman?
to be out here.
You got a power trip out of this? Turning you on, beating me up? You're disgusting.
Okay.
Pervert. I hope you enjoy beating up little women. I hope
I don't
you
be
enjoy
out
that.
here.
Well, why don't you just act like a normal person instead of a caged raccoon?
I didn't want to deal with you at all.
You're disgusting.
You brought this.
Nasty.
Okay.
Vile
Still
human
going to
piece
jail.
of trash on a power trip.
You're going to jail.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
You fucking are against your... I know my rights. You infringed on my personal rights
How?
trying to go inside my house.
I have a reason to be
You
here.
had no reason to detain me.
I gave you a lawful
You
order.
had no
Yes, I did.
reason to detain me.
Yes, ma'am, I did.
What?
I'm here for a call for
Domestic
service.
dispute?
Yes.
That's not a reason to detain me.
Yes, it is.
I did not commit a crime. A domestic dispute is not a crime. So that's why I know that you're in trouble.
Resisting with battery on Leo.
No.
Yes.
I came out to bring my husband his bag of clothes so he could leave. He grabbed my arm and told me to stop.
told you to
him I
stop
was
and
heading
not go
back into
near
my
him.
house to grab my phone so I could record this. He followed me into my house, came into my house, shoved me and my child into the door while threatening to tase us. That is against my right. I was not being detained for a crime. A domestic dispute is not a crime.
A domestic dispute is a crime, stupid.
I want his badge number. I want his name.
You'll get it. Come on. Sit up.
I have
She dumber than a box of rocks.
handcuffs.
Sit up.
Is that a fresh C-section line? God damn.
Everything's videoed and recorded.
My glasses are on the porch. You knocked them off.
It's fine. I'll stay up there. Get it in.
How does he deal with this? That coochie ain't that good, y'all. Damn.
We have been here multiple times.
I know. We're looking for your dad, buddy.
Oh,
Hey, Paul. Sheriff's office.
it was only me, him, and the baby, and my dad and my mom.
What's up, guys? What's been going on?
Oh, God.
My mom was freaking out at my dad.
What were they arguing about? Nothing?
Me and him were putting the dishes away, and my mom was getting angry.
No, because you're putting dishes up or doing it the way she wanted. Turn that down for me, would you? They start arguing about you guys? Something simple?
Yeah.
Okay.
My mom
In front of the kids. Mother of the Year award goes to.
was mad because we were putting dishes away, and she was in her room in bed sleeping.
Oh, so she heard the noises.
Is she on something today, man?
I have no idea. I've been
She probably was messing around.
gone all morning because we got into it this morning, so I left with the kids because she was just like you seen her, so I left and I took the kids to go get feed, and this is the stuff we're donating.
Does she take medication?
She need to take
She
something.
has been to Meridian
Tranquilize something.
before, and she does go see the doctor, but I'm not in the loop on what she does.
You guys
Mm.
okay? Okay.
On and off, it's
I feel bad for this guy. He seems like a genuinely nice guy, and he look like he about to cry.
bright and sunny, bright and sunny, bright and sunny, and then there's a bad day, and then I just try to, leave, take the kids and leave and do what I can, and
She flipped out for sure.
there's a firearm in the house.
I can't lie to you guys. I couldn't deal with somebody that's bipolar. I've already dealt with it in my sister and my uncle, and never again. I run when I see the signs too. I'll be like, "Oh, I'm out, baby."
It's in the closet in a bag hanging up.
Thank you for telling me, sir. Has she ever been violent like this before?
Yeah,
I'm sorry. I did ask you a minute ago. Are you married or is that your girlfriend? I'm sorry. I probably
We're
didn't.
not
Please don't say you married.
married. It's common law. We've been together a long time.
Okay. All right.
I see why you ain't married or shit.
So, who are you're
on
the
the-
father of the children?
I'm the father of the children. Two of them have my last name. One of them doesn't.
Okay.
One of them has her last name. My oldest has her last name. The two youngest have my last name.
I've been here
I bet she was a bitter bitch for doing that too.
before a couple times about custody and things
Yeah.
and everything else.
I know. I've seen you.
Yes, yeah, we've been here.
Has she been violent in the past?
Yes.
My boy said, "Yep, fuck it. We finna tell it all. We finna tell it on the mountain."
She can be. I mean, it's.
Oh, well, I saw that today.
One thing I want you to do for me is you're staying, right? Here with your children?
I live here. Yeah, I'm staying.
Okay.
I mean, all my
Get rid of
stuff's
the
here.
dope stuff.
I'd have been like, "My name on this motherfucker."
On the whose it is, the weed and
Well, the weed, it was mine. I had a pot license and all that stuff, but yeah.
I'm not just so the
Okay.
kids were looking at it, picking up all that.
Right.
All right, appreciate it.
I said, oh, just 2 seconds, I'm grabbing the last few dishes, and she's pushing me out of the room. And then it just manifested into the kitchen that I don't do anything that she asks me to do. And at that point, she started getting physical a little bit, and I got on the phone and called you guys. Told you I needed a deputy out here, and then I got pushed out the door. And
So there was physical earlier, and this time
Damn, bro. I feel bad for you.
I'm here.
earlier today, no.
Yeah, okay.
Just this last time, yeah.
Okay.
Earlier
So
this
when you
morning,
call the sheriff's office,
when I called the sheriff's department, it had started to get physical, so then I called you
what
guys.
did she do?
Just pushing.
Okay. Can you
Push.
provide a sworn statement based on what you're telling me?
Sure.
Okay. How did she push you?
Just pushing and
hands.
pushing, and
Can she continue pushing you out?
yeah,
the door?
until I got to the door. I held onto the door for a second and then spun around her so I could grab my cell phone, so I could finish going out, because that's what I wanted to get my phone so I could exit and leave. And then once I had got the phone, it kind of stood between me and the door, and then she did let me out.
Damn, bro.
All right, this is a domestic packet. All right, and if you sign this, it's just a receipt that you got it. You have to have these.
Yeah, because if he would have knocked her head between the wash and dry, he would have been in the wrong.
Part of our thing.
I hate
I'll
that
read it
shit.
all to you. This is a victim's rights brochure. This is going to be your case number. This explains what a victim is, about criminal process. These are things we give everybody, your rights. And if you want to go up, pursue this anymore, like get an injunction, if you don't make up and all.
All right, what is my statute of limitations on it?
That I couldn't tell. You could call up and find out, though.
Okay.
Do you have any questions, concerns, comments? She's have to see the judge.
She's still here?
No, she's gone. Yeah.
All right, so she's...
Till tomorrow.
The woman was charged with battery, simple battery against a specified person, resisting arrest, and child neglect.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. And also don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.